Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet.
Today I'm going to cook a steak dinner, sweet potato and salad, and the steak is going to be from frozen. So I'm using my Nuwave to thaw this out because I didn't take it out a day in advance. So what I can do is I can use the Nuwave to cook it, and then I can throw it on the barbecue grill to finish it. So let's get started. To start with the sweet potato, we need to poke some holes in it. Just like this. And then I'm going to take this and go throw it in the microwave. I have a 700 watt microwave, so it's going to vary depending on the size of microwave you have and the size of the potato. I put that one in for 3 minutes to start, and then I'll check it and see what it looks like. Now I need to put the steak in. Okay, putting the steak in, you just need to take it out of the package and you're going to throw it in and set your Nuwave to thaw it. This is much better than using a microwave. With the steak in the Nuwave, I put the lid on. I hit the button to start it for a steak. And off it goes. This particular one, I'm going to do it for 20 minutes per side, and then I'm going to check it to see what it looks like. Sounds like my potato's done. I'll go check that now. Potato's cooking and the steak is cooking. Let's go ahead and move this over out of the way so we get some room, and we'll start on our salad. For the salad, you will need lettuce, celery, cucumber, carrots, and then your seasonings. Here I have oregano, Italian seasoning. To do the salad, we'll need to make a little bit of room here. Get everything all organized. We'll start out with our bench scraper and our knife. As far as the carrots go, I'm going to coarse chop them for this project. I've rinsed them. Whenever I use these, I rinse them. So I'm just going to cut off the ends. Then pitch the bad ends. And I'm not going to put a lot of these in. Carrots can be strong. There we go. Now, for the celery, I have some already coarse chopped. So I just grab a few like this. And then I fine chop them down to the ones that I like. This is a pretty simple meal, but it's going to be delicious. Okay. And now, seasonings for the steak, seasonings for the salad. I'm going to put a little bit of a seasoning break in here before I put some lettuce in. I'm just going to do this lightly. This one just pours out quite a lot, so whatever pours out a lot, do it in your hands so you don't mess it up. Okay. Now, cucumber, fairly easy. Cut off the end. Cut off the size that you want. Wrap this in aluminum foil and then put it back in the refrigerator so that it stays fresh. Now, with the plastic on here, I usually just cut my cucumbers twice when I'm in the center of the cucumber like this. First time I took the paper off. Here's my slice. Make sticks. I like cucumbers. Nice and slow though, you gotta be careful with this. Try to keep the flat side down so they don't roll over on you. Okay. Large cucumbers. Okay, here's some more sticks. So I'm making a cucumber salad. I decided for me to forego the lettuce. I like to use cherry tomatoes. They're small, they're a little sweeter, and I like to put some of them in. I don't even cut them up, I just put them in the salad. So that's going to be my salad. Now, my sweet potato is done. So the sweet potato, I just check it to see how soft it is. It is very soft. The steak, let's check the steak and see how that's looking. I have my thermometer. Make sure it's in the Fahrenheit mode and not Celsius. I grab out my steak and I put it in the end like this, and then wait until it reaches its peak. Still rising. It is 165. So that's a real good temperature for a steak. So throw that on the plate. And now for seasoning, I've used garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, and a garlic and pepper spice. Now I put those spices on when I brought it home from the store and I put it in the freezer. So they would already be pre-spiced and it kind of soaks in a little bit and tastes a little better. So now the only thing I have to do is kind of wrap up the meal here, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. To finish this up, I need to wrap up my cucumber, and I wanted to show you, I buy these packages of aluminum sheets. I buy both the large and the small size sheets, and also in parchment paper as well. And then I wrap up my cucumber in them and throw them back in the refrigerator. Foil ends up being just a small piece, and it's enough to seal off the cucumber, and it lets a little bit of the gas out. It lets it breathe a little bit, but keeps it fresh. So taking the steak out, plate that up. I'll put it over here. For salad dressing, I'm going to be doing an Italian red wine vinegar and olive oil. So this is my quick meal. Thanks for watching.